So I'm trying here my homemade 8088 board. So actually here I have designed everything except the VGA adapter. There's a ROM board, it holds some code I made, basically the BIOS. It should start the VGA adapter and play some OPL3 tunes, and then I have a ROM board, very simple, 0.5 MB of ROM, and then I have my OPL2 board, and then the CPU board itself. At the moment the board is held in reset, but it should start when I plug this jumper in, and sounds like it did, and also one can see the, well, my BIOS drawing this star just to show that the video display is being updated, and you can hear the music that it is playing. And once I pull the jumper, it should stop playing. Yep, all good, works nicely.